In this video, we will see the top 15 best series to watch now. Number 1. Sun Ne Face Kadar. This series follows Mehri, a steadfast and no-nonsense police sergeant in a small town, has been living a quiet and simple life, finding solace in her beloved granddaughter, Umat, after losing her daughter in a devastating tragedy years ago. The profound loss led Mehri to make a radical decision that ultimately shattered her family, leaving her isolated except for the comforting presence of Umat, the living memory of her daughter. A struggle that ultimately leads to Ajdai's capture and imprisonment. However, a shocking revelation surfaces that binds Mehri and Ajdai inextricably through little Umat, intertwining their fates in unexpected ways. As Mehri grapples with this newfound connection, she faces the daunting challenge of rebuilding her fractured family and fighting to keep custody of her granddaughter. The series unfolds as a powerful narrative of resilience, justice, and the enduring strength of a mother's love amidst overwhelming adversity. This series offers a gripping portrayal of a mother's relentless pursuit of justice, blending emotional depth with suspenseful storytelling. The strong performances keep you invested throughout. It's a solid watch for those who enjoy crime dramas with a heartfelt twist. Number 2. Hayat Bugun. Inspired by the American series New Amsterdam, this captivating story follows Chief Physician Barış Govner, who takes on the monumental task of revitalizing Hisaronu Hospital, one of Istanbul's oldest and most prestigious medical institutions. Once renowned for its excellence, the hospital has fallen into disarray, struggling to maintain its reputation and standards. Barış, a young and idealistic doctor, steps into this challenging environment with a vision to restore the hospital to its former glory. With his arrival, the story of the entire hospital begins to be rewritten. Barış is not only faced with the daunting task of improving the hospital's facilities and operations but also must navigate the complexities of his own personal life. Despite these challenges, his unwavering commitment to his patients drives him forward as he embarks on a tough yet inspiring battle to bring hope and healing to those in need. As Barış works tirelessly to win over his colleagues and rebuild the hospital's reputation, the series delves into the rich tapestry of lives connected to Hisaronu. The hospital becomes a crossroads where impossible loves blossom, deep friendships are forged, and heart-wrenching life stories unfold. Through his compassion and dedication, Barış gradually transforms the hospital into a place of hope and renewal, touching the lives of everyone who crosses its threshold. Barış's journey is a testament to the power of love, hope, and devotion. His leadership opens the doors of the hospital to all of Istanbul, inviting the city's residents to a place where healing is more than just medical, it's about caring for the soul. Barış reminds us that even in the face of overwhelming odds, there is always room for kindness, and that every day brings a new opportunity to make a difference in someone's life. Number 3. Mavera. The series, Mavera, follows the profound spiritual journey of Haji Ahmad Yesevi, a Turkic poet and Sufi, who is sent by the revered scholar Pir Yusuf Hamdani to Baghdad, a city in turmoil. Amidst the chaos, enemies conspire to destroy the city, threatening its peace and unity. Haji Ahmad, accompanied by his loyal dervish companions, arrives in Baghdad to restore order and strengthen the bonds of brotherhood. Through his wisdom and poetic teachings, he touches the souls of the people, drawing clear lines between those who seek to divide and those who embrace unity. As Haji Ahmad fights to protect the city with the strength of a warrior and the compassion of a Sufi, his efforts contribute to the deepening roots of Islam within Turkish circles. Mavera brings to life the untold story of the first Alpirans, highlighting the enduring legacy of Haji Ahmad Yesevi's spiritual and literary contributions, which continue to illuminate the path of faith and unity in Turkish history. Mavera is a compelling series that beautifully blends action with spiritual depth, focusing on interfaith harmony and the timeless wisdom of Haji Ahmad Yesevi. The shorter episodes make it accessible, especially for those who prefer concise storytelling without sacrificing richness. The performances are strong, and the direction by Dog Umit Karaka adds a polished touch. However, some viewers might find the pacing a bit slow at times. Overall, it's a thoughtful and engaging watch. With only one season and shorter episodes, it's perfect for viewers who prefer a concise, impactful story without the commitment of long-running series. Number 4. Son, the Last. Aylin, Nehir Erdogan, and her husband Selim, Yigit Ozina, have an idyllic life with their 7-year-old son, filled with love, success, and wealth. However, their perfect world is shattered when Selim leaves for a business trip to Frankfurt. On the day of his departure, Aylin drops him off at the airport, expecting him to return in 3 days. But her life turns upside down when she learns of a plane crash that Selim was supposed to be on. Grieving the loss of her husband, Aylin's sorrow deepens as she discovers unsettling truths. Selim never boarded the plane. Surveillance footage reveals he left the airport with another woman. As Aylin digs deeper into these mysteries, she confronts betrayal, hidden secrets, and the challenge of uncovering the truth in a world that suddenly feels unfamiliar and dangerous. No doubt, Son is a captivating Turkish drama with strong performances and a suspenseful plot that keeps you guessing. However, the excessive use of flashbacks can be confusing and disrupts the narrative flow. The series does a great job showcasing the contrasting landscapes and cultures of Turkey and Iran, adding depth to the story. While the series is gripping, it occasionally feels drawn out, but it's still worth watching for fans of psychological thrillers. Number 5. Adnali. This series follows formerly close friends. Yavuz now upholds the law as a police officer, while Maraz Ali leads Istanbul's notorious gang. After Yavuz is unjustly fired for defending himself, he discovers Maraz Ali's betrayal and vows to bring him to justice. Despite their estrangement for years, the bond of brotherhood pushes Yavuz to pursue his once beloved friend turned foe, determined to uncover the truth behind his betrayal and stop his criminal reign. Adnali is a Turkish drama that evokes nostalgia and offers enjoyable moments with a mix of comedy and intense drama. Despite its flaws, it remains a recommended watch for those seeking engaging entertainment. Number 6. Becoming a Lady. Becoming a Lady is a fantastic Turkish series, revolves around Murat, a successful musician, and Hasrat, a flower girl from a working-class district. The series beautifully captures the dynamics of societal interactions and the transformation of Hasrat from a humble flower girl to a renowned singer. Despite its lengthy 56 episodes, some viewers find the continuous back and forth between Murat and Hasrat a bit tedious. The series is praised for its excellent cast, expressive music, and the portrayal of Turkish culture, including the contrast between rich and poor. Overall, Becoming a Lady series weaves a love story with a touch of comedy and music, offering a unique perspective on life in Istanbul. Before going further, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Number 7. Yeşilçam. In the 1960s golden age of Turkish cinema, Semih Ateş, a determined film producer, faces betrayal and opens a new company, Büyük Ateş Film. Struggling to compete in a highly competitive industry, he seeks success after a setback. Encountering his ex-wife Mine, a popular actress secretly dating his rival Reha, Semih convinces her to join his film. Meanwhile, his partner Hakan discovers aspiring actress Tulin, and Semih decides to cast her alongside Mine. Tulin, however, brings unexpected changes to Semih's life, revealing her aspirations and the challenges she faced growing up. According to me, Yeşilçam's attention to historical accuracy, rich character development, and a captivating storyline make it an absolute delight to watch, offering a nostalgic journey into the glitz and glamour of Yeşilçam. Number 8. Queen of the Night. Queen of the Night revolves around Céline, a half-Turkish beauty living in Grasse, France, crafts perfumes in her serene world, unaware of her Turkish heritage. Kartal, an Istanbul businessman with a tragic past, reluctantly marries Aziz's daughter. During a trip to Graz, Kartal encounters Selin, instantly smitten despite his marital ties. Ignorant of Kartal's marriage, Selin believes she's found true love. Their fleeting romance faces numerous hurdles, yet they pursue it with unwavering devotion. Despite their pure intentions, happiness eludes them as they confront societal expectations and personal sacrifices. Their love, born under the mythical queen of the night's fleeting bloom, is tested by fate's cruel twists. Through turmoil and adversity, Selin and Kartal strive to carve out a path to serenity amidst a world determined to tear them apart. For me, Queen of the Night shines with Yildirim's brilliance, though the lead actress's performance divides opinions. Overall, it's a captivating mix of romance and drama. Number 9. Love Makes You Cry. Ada, a 19-year-old girl, lives under the oppression of her greedy uncle and invalid aunt in a remote village. Despite her resistance, she is sold to a petty gangster who intends to make her his wife against her will. She finds herself trapped in a forced marriage situation orchestrated by her uncle. With the help of a kind stranger named Yusuf, Ada escapes to Istanbul, embarking on a journey filled with love, courage, and the pursuit of freedom from the shackles of forced marriage and oppression. It is highly underrated yet truly a masterpiece. This Turkish drama captivates with its pure portrayal of love and realism. Highly recommended for those seeking a beautiful and touching love story. Number 10. Kish Guneshi, Winter Sun. This is a great Turkish series to watch, and it follows Efe, who witnesses his father's murder as a child, losing his memory and identity in the process. Raised by an adoptive family, he becomes a humble fisherman, unaware of his true heritage. When the assassin who killed his father resurfaces seeking revenge, Efe discovers he has a twin brother, Meet, leading him into a web of deception and danger. Mistakenly killed by the murderers, Efe assumes Meet's identity to seek justice for their deaths. As Efe navigates the complexities of his brother's life, including Meet's troubled marriage to Nisan, he must conceal his true identity while unraveling the truth behind his family's tragedy. Amidst the chaos, Efe grapples with his desire for vengeance and his growing feelings for Nisan, torn between his mission and his heart. Winter Sun captivates with its compelling plot, stellar cast, and emotional depth, earning praise for its gripping storytelling and powerful performances. I highly commend the chemistry between lead actors Sukru Özildiz and Asli Enver. The absence of explicit content and focus on strong character development add to its appeal, making it a standout series worth watching repeatedly. Number 11. Black Pearl. In Black Pearl, a waitress with dreams of marrying her fisherman lover Kenan faces upheaval when Veril, haunted by his wife's death, fixates on Hajal. To protect Kenan, Hajal sacrifices their love and agrees to marry Veril. As the tangled web of secrets unravels, Kenan seeks revenge, while Hajal navigates Veril's troubled past, questioning her own choices and struggling to find true love amidst adversity. Its captivating plot filled with twists and turns, engaging romance, and a well-portrayed cast makes it a must-watch. While Hande Ersal's performance as Hajal is particularly praisable for its depth and range, keeping viewers hooked to the screen. The chemistry between the characters, especially Hajal and Kenan, adds to the appeal of the show, making it worth a watch for fans of romantic dramas. Number 12. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namik. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, James, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namik's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 13. Kadi. Kadna is a gripping and emotional series that beautifully portrays the strength of a mother fighting for her children. It follows the journey of Bahar, a resilient young widow raising her two children, Nisan and Doruk, after the tragic death of her husband, Saap. Bahar, abandoned by her mother Hatice at the age of 8, has faced life's hardships alone. Despite her struggles, she manages to transform poverty into a joyful game for her children, finding strength in the memories of her late husband. Bahar's deep love for Saap keeps her going, though it also prevents her from opening her heart to new relationships. When Hatice reappears after 20 years, Bahar is forced to confront her painful past. However, their reunion is complicated by Bahar's half-sister Shireen, who does everything in her power to keep them apart. Hatice, torn between her two daughters, turns her back on Bahar to protect Shireen, leaving Bahar to rely on the support of her stepfather Enver and her close friend Yeliz. As Bahar navigates these emotional challenges, the series also explores the lives of other women around her. Hattis struggles with guilt over abandoning her child, Yele searches for love and stability, Jale chooses her career over motherhood, and Julaidi falls victim to her own beauty. Through it all, Bahar's story of survival, love, and sacrifice shines as she faces the harsh realities of life while finding the strength to keep moving forward. According to me, the most highlighting thing about this series is its acting, especially from Bahar and the child actors, is outstanding, making the story relatable and heartfelt. However, the series tends to over-exaggerate and drag out certain plot lines, particularly in the later seasons, which diminishes the overall impact. While the first season is highly engaging, the subsequent seasons struggle to maintain the same level of interest, leading to mixed feelings. Despite these flaws, the show remains a powerful exploration of love, sacrifice, and survival. Number 14. Jamdki Kiss. Jamdki Kiss follows Nalan, who is raised by her controlling grandmother Firaidi, and lives a sheltered life without love or freedom. Working at Koroglu Company, she meets Siddhat, the heir to the Koroglu family empire, who is entangled in a forbidden affair. Siddhat, pressured by his father Rafet to marry, sees Nalan as the perfect bride despite his ongoing affair. Nalan, unaware of Siddhat's double life, believes she's found her fairy tale love. As their worlds collide, secrets and conflicts arise, testing their desires and loyalties within the intricate web of family expectations and personal desires. Even though this series has a slow pace and occasional unbelievable moments, still the series offers a unique exploration of complex characters and societal issues, leaving viewers contemplating the complexities of human nature long after the final episode. Number 15. Bahar. Bahar, a helpful young woman, starts a vocational training course in Demir's neighborhood, where they clash but soon develop a bond. Demir saves Bahar from a fire, leading to their growing affinity. Aysun, in love with Demir, marries and kills Harun as part of a revenge plot. Bahar overhears Aysun's confession and suffers memory loss in a car accident orchestrated by Aysun. Aysun, fearing Bahar's recovery, mistreats her, while unaware Demir loves Bahar. Despite their love, Demir and Bahar face turmoil as Aysun's schemes unravel, revealing tangled connections and secrets. So that was the video, friends. If you are interested in watching more Turkish series like this, then please this next video.